Hello, good morning to all students. Once again, welcome on online classes. In previous lecture of class 10th maths, lecture 3rd, we already discussed the questions based on the BPT and the converse of a BPT. And how we will prove BPT and how we will prove converse of BPT. BPT में क्या था स्टूडेंट? If a line is parallel to the third side, so in converse of BPT था. BPT में क्या था? If that line divided it into the same ratio, then the line must be parallel. Parallel होगी, if parallel, then it divided it into the same ratio. That is the statement of BPT. And in converse of BPT, if line divided it into the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. Now, in today's lecture, we will discuss about the rule of similarity. So, we will discuss similarity in triangles. How we will prove that given triangles are similar, that we will discuss in today. So firstly, what did you mean by the similarity? If two objects which are having same shape but different size, that is known as the similar objects. Similarity, if two triangles which have, और we will discuss condition और similarity discuss कर रहे हैं triangles में. So two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar if first condition, angle A, their corresponding angle A, angle corresponding to P, B angle corresponding to R, and C angle corresponding to R. So how we will find out their corresponding angle? With the naming. जो ट्राइंगल का नेमिंग गिवन है उसी के बिहाफ पे क्या करोगे आप? उनकी वर्टेक्स राइट करोगे. फर्स्ट, आइदर देयर ऑल थ्री corresponding angles are equal, or AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, and CA upon RP. Either their all three corresponding angles are equal, or their all three corresponding side ratio will come same. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and that is the symbol of similarity. Okay, understand? So similarity, what is the sufficient condition that given two triangles are similar? Either their all three corresponding angles are equal, or their all three corresponding side ratio will come, meaning same. Meaning is that it's converse. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equals to P, B is equals to angle Q, and C is equals to angle R. And second is that, and their corresponding side ratio will equal. उनके corresponding sides का रेशियो भी क्या होगा? इक्वल होगा. मीनिंग इज दैट AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, and CA upon RP. So if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are also equal, and their corresponding side ratio also will come same. And when two triangles are similar, either their all three corresponding angles are equal, or their all three corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Understand? Now we will discuss the some similarity rule in triangles. Understand that all? So what we understand, if two triangles are similar, then after similarity their corresponding angles are equal, and second thing is that their corresponding side ratio will come same. So now we'll discuss similarity rule in triangles. Similarity rule in triangles. So similarity rule in triangle, first rule is side side side, that is triple S rule. So when we will use the triple S rule, if in two triangles the ratio of all three corresponding sides are equal, if in two triangles the ratio of all three corresponding sides are equal, if in two triangles the ratio of all three corresponding sides are equal, then both triangles are similar using triple S rule. Understand? So if in two triangles the ratio of all three corresponding sides are equal, for example, in that triangle ABC, triangle PQR given to you, that is 3.5, 4 and 3, given to you 7.0, 6 and 8. Angle A is equals to 40 degree, then find angle A 40 degree, angle B 30 degree, then find angle P. Then how we will find out the angle P? Firstly we will prove that given two triangles are similar. पहले क्या proof करोगे given two triangles को similar? So how we will prove that? Firstly we will identify here corresponding side. So here AB corresponding side क्या देखो 3.5 से वो similarity नजर आ रही है 7, 4 की से क्या है 8. So here QP AB. So what is AB? Corresponding side is QP. AB 3.5 upon 7.0, what will come? 2.5. BC corresponding side is PR. BC corresponding side PR 4 upon 8, 1 upon 2. CA corresponding side to RQ is equal 3 upon 6 is equals to 1 upon 2. So what we are observing here, both triangles are similar or not? So AB upon QP, BC upon PR equals to CA upon RQ, which is 1 upon 2. So the ratio of all three corresponding sides are equal 1 upon 2. So triangle. How we will identify the name of the triangle? देखो A B C, first three letter, इसका first letter. So triangle ABC is similar triangle QPR. Triangle QPR using SSS. Now their corresponding angles are equal. Now their corresponding angles are equal. So we will find out the value of angle P. So angle P corresponding to angle B. So angle A is equals to angle Q, naming से देखो angle B is equals to angle P. So what we will find out here, P, but angle B is 30 degree, so angle P also 30 degree. Understand? So firstly we will prove that given two triangles are similar. आपने all three corresponding sides का ratio find out कर लिया. रेशियो क्या आ रहा है, सेम आ रहा है. सो गिवन टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर यूजिंग SSS. आफ्टर दैट वी नो दैट इफ टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर देन देयर corresponding एंगल्स आर ऑल्सो इक्वल. सो एंगल्स क्या बन गए, इक्वल. सो ट्राइंगल ABC एंड ट्राइंगल QPR, ABC QPR, both triangles are similar. Any problem? So that is the SSS, triple S similarity rule. Second rule is SAS rule. Second rule is side angle side, SAS rule. In SAS rule, if in two triangles the ratio of their two corresponding sides, if in two triangles the ratio of their two corresponding, if in two triangles the ratio of their two corresponding sides and between them angle are equal, then both triangles are similar using SAS rule. Understand? So if in two triangles the ratio of their two corresponding sides and the between them angle are equal, then both triangles are similar using SAS rule. Understand? Now next we will discuss example how we will check that given both triangles are similar or not. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR, 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 30 degree, 40 degree. Then here given to you that angle BAC, so here RPQ, 30 degree. Find angle R and angle Q. So how we will find out the value of angle R and angle Q? Firstly we will prove that given two triangles are similar. पहले क्या proof करोगे? Two triangles को similar proof करोगे. So how we will prove? AB or we can write down BA, write कर लो BA, 3 है, so 3 की similarity क्या है? BA corresponding side क्या है? RP is equals to 3/6 1/2 BA. AC upon PQ 7/14 1/2 and angle A is equals to angle P क्या है? 30 degree. So the rule is fulfilled. In two triangles the ratio of their two corresponding sides and between them angle are equal. So triangle, what is the name of the triangle? triangle BAC is similar to triangle RPQ. BAC is triangle RPQ using SAS rule. Now their corresponding angles are equal. corresponding angles क्या बनेंगे? इक्वल बनेंगे. So angle B is equals to angle R, angle A is equals to P, and angle C is equals to Q. Now what we will find out? Firstly angle R find out करना है. So angle B is equals to angle R है. Angle B क्या है? 40 डिग्री. So R also 40. So what is the value of angle R? 40 degree. And angle C is equals to Q. But how we will find out the value of angle Q? Using angle sum property. So in triangle ABC using angle sum property. So using angle sum property क्या बनेगा? Angle A plus B plus C 180 degree. Angle A is 30 degree, 40 degree. Angle C 180 degree. What is the value of C? 180 minus 70. Angle C value will come 110 degree. So angle C is equals to angle Q is equals to 110 degree. Understand? So how we will find out the value of angle QC and angle? Any other problem? So second similarity rule क्या था आपका? SAS similarity rule. Now third is AA similarity rule. Third similarity rule is angle AA over triple A, double A or triple A rule. So in double A over triple A rule देखो क्या है? If in two triangles there either there two corresponding angles are equal, then both triangles are similar. Okay, so if in two triangles their two corresponding angles are equal, then both triangles are similar. How? A, B, O, C, D. Here A, B is parallel to C, D. Then prove that A, B क्या given आपको? C, D के parallel given है. Then you will prove that. क्या proof करना है आपको? देखो AO upon OD equal BO upon OC. AO upon OC is equal BO upon DO. So how we will prove? Firstly, we will prove that here given two triangles are similar. So how we will prove similar? इन ट्राइंगल नेमिंग देखो क्या होगी ट्राइंगल की? BAO. आप कंसीडर कर रहे हो BAO, सो B का क्रॉसपोंडिंग क्या है? DCO. एंड ट्राइंगल DCO. फर्स्ट एंगल BOA is equals to angle DOC using vertical opposite angle. Second is angle BAO is equals to angle DCO. BAO is equals to DCO, a reason alternate angle. So triangle BAO is similar to triangle DCO using double A rule. Now we know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding side ratio will become same. Now their corresponding sides are in equal ratio. So equal ratio में क्या बनेगा? BA upon DC, AO upon CO and OB upon DO. So we will take first two. So AO upon CO is equals to BO upon DO. Hence, understand? So in today's lecture, we discussed three similarity rule: triple S similarity rule, SAS similarity rule, and last is the AA or triple A similarity rule. So today, all students after watching that video, you will complete exercise 6.3. So complete exercise 6.3 with example. All exercise of 6.3 which is completely based on your similarity. Thank you.